still hear your voice inside the rain, falling softly on my window pane. Every street reminds me of your name. Nothing ever feels the same.
You said forever with a gentle smile. Now forever lasted just a while. I'm still waiting where we used to stand, holding on with empty hands.
I keep your picture in my room, hoping you'll come back soon. But every night the silence grows, and only the lonely moonlight knows. Yeah, I'm talking to the stars again, trying to erase all the pain again. Your shadow keeps following my soul, leaving another empty hole. Every promise turned into smoke, every laugh became a joke. I smile outside but break within, losing every chance to win. If love was real, then why'd it fade? Why am I trapped in yesterday, still writing songs you'll never hear, still fighting every single tear? Now the rain becomes my friend, waiting for this hurt to end. If we meet in another life, maybe you'll stay by my side. Until that day, I'll sing alone, with a heart that's made of stone. Goodbye isn't easy to say, but I'll survive another day.